Abahleli bomcimbi waminyaka yonke obizwa ngeSoweto Kota Festival bathi amalungiselelo ahamba kahle wokudla nendlela yokuphila osuzoba ngumhlobo wesishiyagalolunye ozoba se-Elka Stadium Cricket Oval eRockville mhla zi-5 kuya kuyisi-6 kuMandulo emhlanganweni nabezindaba obubanjwe eSoweto Theatre ntambama. Abahleli bamemezele ukuthi kulindeleke ukuthi kubambwe iqhaza izindawo zokudayisa amakota ezingaphezulu kwama-50 kanye nezinhlelo zokuzijabulisa bukhoma nemisebenzi yokuzijabulisa imindeni. Umkhosi walonyaka uzophinde ukhumbule iminyaka engama-50 kusukela ekuvukeleni kwabantu baseSoweto ngonyaka ka-1976 ngesikhathi kugujwa iqhaza labantu abasha emlandweni nasekuthuthukisweni kweSoweto.
Njengoba sekusela amaviki amabili ngaphambi kwendumezulu yomcimbi weminyaka yonke ovame ukuheha osomabhizinisi abasafufuza ubanikeze ithuba lokuzikhangisa kwiSoweto Kota Festival, abahleli babize isithangami sabezindaba ukumemezela ukuthi izinhlelo zonke sezihlangene okusele nje ukuthi kufike usuku lomcimbi.
I think for us, we were one of the, I call it budget event. People, they don't, like the food is not that expensive. Like, you know, when we go to other event, the food is very expensive. We're trying to guard would be affordable because we know the economy is very tough. So I think for us, people must just come and support these small businesses. They must also, I think the prices are awesome. They are not expensive when you come to the event. So there will be our music. So it's a family event. So I think people must bring the whole family, even kids like below 2 years, because I had inquired of a child who is like 1 year, 2 years. Then we welcome them to come. So it's for everyone. The event is for everyone.
Kusenjalo abaxhasi bomcimbi bathi ke kubalekile ukubuyisela emphakathini abasebenza kuyo.
Actually, being in Soweto and coming back, to Soweto with the Soweto Kota Festival, it's actually very heartwarming for us, especially that we actually now have 3 existing libraries in Soweto as part of my CSI portfolio. As a brand, we like actually giving back to the community that actually buys cars from us. To say as a brand, what we care about where you come from, your community. We care about the plea that the Minister of Education made back then, that a child in grade 4 has a literacy problem.
It is our first year as a sponsor for the Kota. Naturally, I've had many quarters before in my life, and I've always loved a Kota, right? So it's our first year as a sponsor, and we are super excited to be part of this because, as I said earlier, this is around ensuring that we can connect with the consumer, but also continue to drive the cultural heritage behind Kota.
ISoweto Kota Festival ihlanganisa iminyaka eyisishiyagalolunye kulonyaka, kanti-ke abantu bayanxuswa ukuba bathenge amathikithi okungena kusanesikhathi ukugwema ukuphoxeka. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngisejabulani.